Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay till the end. Effective marketing is the cornerstone of business success. It is the driving force that transforms a product or service from being merely available to being desired, trusted, and purchased by a wide audience. In an increasingly competitive global marketplace, where consumer attention is fragmented and options are abundant, businesses that understand and leverage the power of marketing can dramatically increase their sales, expand their reach, and establish lasting brand equity. Marketing is more than just selling or advertising. It's a comprehensive, data-driven, and strategic process designed to connect the right message with the right audience through the right channel at the right time. By identifying and understanding customer needs, preferences, and pain points, businesses can tailor their products, positioning, and communications to create relevance and emotional resonance. This relevance translates into engagement, engagement drives conversions, and conversions ultimately generate revenue. Effective marketing starts with research and analysis, knowing your target audience, studying your competitors, understanding market trends, and identifying opportunities for differentiation. This foundation informs every aspect of marketing strategy, from product design and pricing to distribution and promotional tactics. When a business clearly understands who its customers are and what motivates their decisions, it can craft compelling value propositions and messaging that speak directly to their aspirations and needs. This clarity allows marketing efforts to be not just widespread, but precise, maximizing impact while minimizing wasted resources. One of the most powerful ways marketing boosts sales is by creating awareness. No matter how innovative or high quality a product is, if people don't know it exists, it can't sell. Marketing bridges that gap through brand visibility, using tools like SEO, content marketing, paid advertising, and social media to ensure that potential customers encounter the brand repeatedly across platforms. Search engine optimization, for instance, ensures that a company appears at the top of search results when users look for related products or services, bringing in organic traffic with high purchase intent. Social media marketing, on the other hand, leverages platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube to build communities, tell stories, and engage users directly. Effective campaigns on these platforms don't just promote products, they build emotional connections through authentic content, storytelling, and user interaction. When consumers connect emotionally with a brand, they are far more likely to purchase, repurchase, and recommend it to others. Thanks for watching. Join us at our private community.